We go share a man, oh, like Ojoro. Tune into the king of sounds and blues.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Bonani FM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Christy, aka Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Echo DSN.
Sunrise. I will never leave your side. I will never ever. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. I don't need to go up my own mind. I should be my key for life.
As I never see you online, you they worry me and they give me consign. Yeah, I've been ringing on your cellular. Where you at? But enough is better now. Yeah, I'm hoping you okay. We got to party tonight. Let it just take my mind. Yeah, me and you feel like they're not my guy. No jazzy, my guy. Show me stars, how you transfer yourself. Be my guy. My glow is my guy. My God, everyone know I'm listening up. So I call your name when I ask me who you saw. That guy is my guy. Jerry's not my guy. I'm my guy. MK and June K for life. Minas to Kavish is my yeah, Chippy Cuckoo. In my eye. You be my G, be my G.
Yeah, really good tonight. Sadia with my guys. I have plenty on my mind, but right now I'm with my guys. I know the guy that got my car. She don't see my information. I tell her, see the feeling. I'm